Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at the Versace model VE2183 in color code 125281. It's a pale gold black color frame. On the temples here we have a gold Medusa emblem and a black temple tip finish color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a polarized gray color. And on the top left over here we have a gold polarized writing. These lenses are 100% UV protected. The style of the frame is square. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.